In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take profit in TradingView. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set a take profit level on your trades directly from the TradingView chart. This is especially useful if you want to automate part of your exit strategy and avoid constantly watching the screen. First, make sure you're on your TradingView chart, logged in, and connected to a broker or paper trading account that supports trading through TradingView. Once you're ready, look for the trade button. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find it either below the chart area or in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that trade button. This opens the trading panel where you can place orders and manage positions. After opening the trading panel and selecting the instrument you want to trade, you'll see options to configure your order. Among these settings, look for the section related to risk management or exit conditions. Here, you should see an option labeled Take Profit. It may appear as a small toggle switch or checkbox. Turn this toggle on. By enabling it, you're telling TradingView that you want your position to automatically close once price reaches a specific level in your favor. With the Take Profit option enabled, you'll now see a field where you can enter a price. This is the key part. Type in the exact price at which you want your trade to be closed for profit. Make sure this price is above the current market price if you're going long, or below the current market price if you're going short. Take a moment to double check that you're using the right number of decimal places and that the price aligns with your trading plan or strategy. As you type in the take profit price, TradingView will usually show a line on the chart at that level, giving you a visual confirmation of where your exit will be. This is helpful for quickly seeing the distance between your entry and take profit, and it can also help you evaluate your risk to reward ratio. Once everything looks correct, you can proceed to place your order as you normally would. From this point on, when the market reaches the take profit price you entered, TradingView will automatically execute the order and close your position, locking in your gains according to the parameters you've set.